Hey folks, just a quick update here. Show you something I've been working on the bus. Been working on the bus and a few other things, projects. But let me show you what I've done here on the bus. This thing right here was original to the bus, but it didn't have doors on it, but it has space inside, so I decided to make it into a storage area. I'm also gonna probably put a doghouse in right here, because this is a lot of area here that's not being utilized. So I'm gonna box this in somewhat, probably to about out to here, just to give me some more space. Let me show you what else I've been working on. Let's see here. All right, show you what I've been working on in the garage. Built some homemade tools. I sold my vise, my benchtop vise. It was about a 50 to 80 pound tool, but it just wasn't gonna work with the bus and the trailer because it was too heavy. So anyhow, here's one of my tools. So this thing right here, it's just a C-clamp that I chopped in half, drilled holes in the C-clamp, and then I drilled holes in here, so this is completely adjustable all the way across. So that's one of the tools I made. And the second one is this thing right here. It's a metal bender for metal rods or metal things like this, and you just pull this handle and it bends it around this post right here. And last but not least, where'd I put it? Gotta find it. Oh, there it is right there. Here's my new bench top or tabletop or whatever you want to call it vise. Need to clean up some of the welds a little bit, but this thing here just slides along this track. It's got a piece on the bottom that's got a track also. So you basically, let's see if I can operate it for you. So you just basically turn it like this and it tightens it up or brings it back out. I still got to put a clip on there so that it pulls this plate back when it does it. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update of what's been going on. The garage is getting better. Not fully there yet. Lots of stuff I still got to throw away and put in the trailer and the bus. But I just figured I'd give you an update of what I've been doing. Both these ideas, unfortunately, both these ideas weren't, or all three of these ideas were not my ideas. I found them on, saw them on YouTube and decided to build them myself. That was probably the coolest one. The next thing I'll be doing is one that makes them round, makes round. It's hard to explain, but anyhow, it has that tool that I make will be it has to have three different bearings, like one here, and then one there, and then you have a vice-like screw on the other one that you push down into the center, and it as you roll it through, it bends it into a circle. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update of what's been going on. Also just got brand new tires put on the front of my bus. You know, going down the highway, you don't want to have a blowout on the front. Blowout on the back is not that bad, but blowout on the front, that's your steering. So I decided to go ahead and spend the money and get the tires and have them installed. Tires are not cheap. I got a pretty good deal. Mine were about $250 a piece, and then it was $100 to have them installed, both. So together. So $250 is a very inexpensive price for a tire. They go up from there. I got mine off of Amazon. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update, what was going on, what I've been up to. Ooh, also, put my Wi-Fi antenna on right there. It's an extendable pole. So whenever I get where I'm going, I just go up there and loosen those screws and raise it up, and then put pins in. And then when I'm done, I pull the pins out, slide it back down, and tighten the pins, tighten the screws. Well, I think that's about it, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I would appreciate some support, or support. In the description below, you'll see some items, some Amazon link items. Well, you don't necessarily have to buy what I have there, but if you use one of those links to go into Amazon and then buy what you were planning on buying in the first place, I get a little kickback from Amazon if you use one of those links. So anytime you decide you want to buy something, just go to one of my videos, and most all of them have Amazon links on them, and if you click on that, it'll take you there. You don't necessarily have to buy that item. You can shop as long as that link is open, the tab is open. I get a kickback of whatever you buy. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Please remember to subscribe, and then hit that bell next to the subscription button. Like and share with your vast media. Until next time, please be safe. See you later.